Hi, I'm Lisa and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. Our word this week is interdisciplinary. And what that means is crossing traditional subject boundaries to approach problems in innovative ways. So we're going to basically be taking multiple things and making them cross-functional so that we can approach them in a new way instead of separating everything into bits. All right, some synonyms, or words that mean the same as interdisciplinary, would be collaborative and cross-functional. And some antonyms or opposites would be specialized or compartmentalized. All right, big words there. All right, our sample sentence. The research team adopted an interdisciplinary framework, merging insights from neuroscience, linguistics, and education. All right, so interdisciplinary, when we're going to take multiple things and make them cross-functional between different teams so that you can come up with a new way or a new method of doing something. All right, that's our word of the week. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.